Hi, my name is Karishma and welcome back to another video of mine. So this is going to be a storytelling video. This is my first storytelling video ever and you have seen that by now from the thumbnail itself. So yeah, watch it till the end. So if you guys don't know me, I'll give you a quick introduction that my name is Karishma and I stay in Bangalore and I do a corporate job and it's not a 9 to 5 but a 9 to 6, and it is sometimes a morning 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and sometimes it is just the exact opposite, like 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. So yeah, that's how my life is. I'm not complaining. I like my job. So the story begins like, so I stay in this area in Bangalore, which I'm not gonna name, but I stay near my office, right, near the tech park, within a 1 kilometer radius, because I have to go to office 5 days a week. So since the time I joined this company, I have been in one single team, and for 2.5 years. And so after 2.5 years, I ended up switching teams and I entered this new team. Okay, so this story is related to this new team members of mine. So I entered this team, and I don't know about others, but I was having a hard time, gelling up with all of them. I was having a hard time, so I used to cry in front of my best friend, like, "मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है." So my best friend would give me, advices like, "They are just your colleagues, they are not your friends. They can never be your friends. Don't get, so hung up on all this." And I was like, "No, my previous team तो मेरी इतनी अच्छी दोस्त बन गई थी, मेरी यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं बन रहे?" तो I used to crib a lot. So then eventually what happened कि I ended up making friends. Okay, मेरी दोस्ती हो गई कुछ लोगों से, सबसे नहीं हुई of course, but कुछ से मेरी हो गई अच्छी दोस्ती. तो उनमें से ही मेरी एक अच्छी फ्रेंड बन गई, जिसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. तो लेट्स नेम हर आयुषी. सो आयुषी मेरी अच्छी दोस्त बन गई. And then when I joined the team, Ayushi had an ex-boyfriend in the team as well, ठीक है. And I was completely unaware of it, but मतलब observe करने के बाद मुझे ये थोड़ा सा लगा था कि मतलब इनका कुछ तो scene है, but I did not know, nor did I pry into anything. So recently what happened is कि our office gave us the work from home opportunity. कि you can choose either you want to come to office or you want to do a work from home thing, right? So I selected the work from home thing. So my childhood best friend, so I'm from Guwahati, right? So my childhood best friend from Guwahati itself. So she also stays in Bangalore and in a part of Bangalore which is 2 hours away from the current place which I am staying. Okay, so if anybody from Bangalore, you can relate, and others also, as you have been hearing all of this news, 2 hours. If somebody travels 2 hours to meet you in Bangalore, it means that keep them, keep them close. They are safe. They are your true jewel. So my best friend and I, like, in this mad place, we both need to meet each other. So every week, either she is traveling to us or I am traveling to us, ending up wasting a lot of money, time, energy, stuck in traffic. It was very exhausting. So when this work from home thing came, my best friend was the most excited, and she was like, "Please move now, move near me," because she has her office nearby where she stays. So, and she has to go to office 5 days a week. So she was like, "You need to move." And of course, I was also planning, because for 3 years I have been staying in the same place near my office. So even I thought, even I was thinking of moving. So I ended up taking the decision and I moved. So now this friend of mine, Ayushi, right, from my office, so she came to my new flat. I mean, we are in the same team, so we talk regularly, so we are like very good friends. So she knows everything about me, like my love life and everything, whatever's happening with me, right? So basically what happens ki, there's this another colleague of ours who is an ex-colleague right now, because approximately 2 months back he left the company, and approximately 1 month back उसने मेरी friend आयुषी को contact किया. Let's call this guy Rahul. So उसने आयुषी को contact किया and बोला कि hey, how are you and blah blah blah, and उसने बोला कि मेरे पास एक gossip है तुझे देने के लिए. So Ayushi is like, हाँ, tell what gossip, and he is like, the gossip is about Karishma. So उसको लगा होगा कि मतलब she said me कि उसको लगा कि maybe boyfriend के बारे में कुछ बोलेगा या जो भी. But to her and my, both of our utmost surprise, what he said. He said कि करिश्मा ने जो ये नए जगह पे मूव कर रही है, it is because apparently she is having a chakkar with your ex-boyfriend. Yeah, right. So what he means ki that ex-boyfriend of my friend Ayushi, who is in our same team, so मेरा उसके साथ कोई चक्कर चल रहा है. क्यों? Because मैंने एक नए जगह पे मैंने मूव किया, and वो क्यों मूव किया? Because of my best friend, जो हम लोग का रोज का मतलब every week we used to spend I don't know how much money on traveling and time waste को अलग, जिसके लिए मैंने मूव किया है. So he is saying ये कहानी कि मैंने मूव किया है नए जगह पे बिकॉज मेरा कोई चक्कर चल रहा है, क्योंकि जो ये इसका मेरी फ्रेंड का एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड है वो यहीं पे रहता है, इस एरिया पे जहाँ पे मैंने नया नया मूव किया. माई फ्रेंड इज लाइक blown, completely blown. She is like, what nonsense, this is the most absurd thing I've ever heard. And she like completely dismisses, she completely dismisses that this is just nonsense, and who told you even this? And he's like, oh, I have a source. So my friend is like, now who is this source, tell me. So he's not telling the source name, he's saying कि अरे छोड़ ना, जाने दे, क्या हो गया. So at first my friend did not tell him कि I have a boyfriend and all of this, but after some time she ended up saying him, Karishma मतलब will never do this, first thing because he is not her type and whatever, but second thing, of course she has a boyfriend and they are pretty serious about each other and whatever. So backstory, I think so 4 months back, so there was a party at my old flat, and at night, I think so 11 or 11:30, I was out with my boyfriend to grab some party supplies or whatever. So I was out, and then this guy Rahul, he saw me. So now when my friend Ayushi tells him ki she has a boyfriend, and he's like, oh yeah, I remember seeing her at night with a guy. So my friend is like, yeah, of course it's her boyfriend and whatever. So like then my friend like completely dismisses, and she is like, oh, this is very नॉनसेंस, मतलब ये कैसी वाहियात बातें हैं. तो उसने डिसमिस कर दिया. तो उसमें आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे वो बंदा राहुल ने क्या बोला. तो उसने बोला कि हाँ बट ना वो दोनों का बर्थडेज भी सेम टाइम पे सेम डेट पे है, तो इसलिए मतलब उनका कुछ चल सकता है. सो अगेन माय बर्थडे इज 5th January, and then this ex-boyfriend, his birthday is also on 5th January. So what this guy Rahul is saying ki both of ours birthdays are same, that is why I have moved to this new place to stay near his house, apparently because मेरी चक्कर चल रहा है. भाई साहब. So my friend Ayushi, she is like, तू पागल है क्या, किसी का मतलब बर्थडे सेम होगा तो शादी कर लेंगे. तो she is like, she is also furious at this point. She is like, निकल, ये सब मत बोल, मतलब बकवास बातें. सो उसके बाद क्या हुआ, उसने उसको तो भगा दिया. फिर मेरे पास आई वो, उसने बोला कि बेब मतलब एक बात है तुझे बताने के लिए. मैंने बोला बता. तो उसने बोला गॉसिप आई है, एंड मतलब ये बंदा राहुल आया था मेरे पास, आके उसने मुझे बोला कि एक गॉसिप है करिश्मा का. मैंने बोला अच्छा मेरा गॉसिप. मैंने बोला बता. मुझे भी एग्जैक्टली मुझे भी यही लगा था कि मे भी शायद बॉयफ्रेंड के बारे में कुछ बोलेगा, बिकॉज ही सॉ मी. मुझे लगा कि वही गॉसिप होगा. बट टू माई सरप्राइज शी सेज कि उसने बोला ऐसे कि तेरा चक्कर चल रहा है उसके साथ. मैंने बोला क्या. I would never do this because why? I am a girl's girl. I am a hardcore girl's girl. I would never do this to any girl. Leave alone my friend who is a very close friend of mine. मैं ये कभी नहीं कर सकती उसके साथ. Second thing, this guy is 3 to 4 years younger than me. I would never date a younger guy. But now I am furious. I am like, मैं इस राहुल को बताती हूँ कि इसने क्या बोला है. My friend is like, babe छोड़, जाने दे, कोई बात नहीं, क्योंकि we are stronger than this and ये वो. तो मैंने बोला अच्छा हाँ ठीक है. But then I thought कि let me make a story time about this because I don't know राहुल, सच में किसी सोर्स ने तुम्हें आके ये बोला, ये तुम्हारी खुद की ब्रेन की ये मनधरम कहानी है. I don't know that. एंड अगर तुम ये सब कर सकते हो मे बी तुम मुझे यहाँ पे स्टॉप करोगे, इसलिए मुझे लगा कि मैं ये स्टोरी टाइम बनाऊं, क्योंकि I cannot go and tell this to your face. So if you are watching this video, you know who you are and you know what I'm talking about. मत करो ऐसे. So guys, I don't want to sound mean, but I want to be really mean to this guy. He is like in his 30s, right? And he doesn't have a girlfriend. Guess what? Why doesn't he have a girlfriend? Because कोई भी लड़की इसको बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं बनाएगी जिसकी हरकतें ऐसी है, दूसरी लड़कियों के बारे में जाके तीसरी लड़की को उल्टा-पुल्टा चीजें बताना. क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसा? अपने पे ध्यान दो. I mean, I don't have the time to do all this. I don't know लोग कैसे टाइम निकाल लेते हैं ये सब करने के लिए. I was telling this thing to my boyfriend. He is like, जब लोग बिना मतलब के आपके बारे में ये सब बातें करने लगे, आप जान लो कि आप कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हो, अच्छे ट्रैक पे जा रहे हो. तो मे बी दिस वाज द ओनली थिंग व्हिच केप्ट मी सेन कि हाँ ठीक है मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगी, उसका बदला नहीं लूंगी, वरना आई रियली एंड ट्रूली बिलीव इन रिवेंज. बट हाँ, दिस स्टोरी टेलिंग वीडियो इज काइंड ऑफ अ रिवेंज ओनली इन द होप दैट ही sees this and he मतलब stops whatever he did. This is it. Enough ranting. Again, Rahul, if you are watching, not cool. Guys, this is the end of the video. Do let me know in the comments if you like the storytelling video of mine. Also do let me know in the comments if you have had any similar experiences, maybe in your day-to-day life or in your corporate job. So yeah, this is the end of the video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button and jo bhi ho sab kuch kar lo yaar. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.